our company is promoting a new feature called Emerson, and it's a AI feature on our premium product, and it is going to be letting you test drive it for free until the 20th of this month. So I wanted to just give you a quick video on it and tell you about it. That gives you our funnel builder, our premium, and this for free for till the 20th to try out. So I wanted to give you an example of Emerson. I'm looking for a birthday present for my grandson. I put down Emerson, please give me a 5 birthday gift ideas for a 7-year-old boy that likes action figures, Minecraft, magnet tiles, Legos, drawing, and has a great imagination. And then this is what they listed down here. Pretty cool. I just wanted to share that quickly with you, and hopefully look at the link on this video, and you can go and sign up for free for about 10 to 12 days.